Hey there, it's Aaron. In this short video, I'm going to take two images of couples and show you how we can remove people from images seamlessly using Adobe Generative Fill. So I have couple number one and I have couple number two. Let's focus on couple number one for a moment. So the context would be that they were running on this lovely day and they both have a great memory of this day, but the unwanted memory is their former partner in the picture here. So let's say that she has done the right thing and moved on. So we'll highlight her and just do here under Generate Fill, I'm going to ask it to remove the person. I could ask it to remove the object and it would likely do the same thing since there are no other objects here in the foreground. So we'll see if we can get him to hold on to the memory of the happy day without her being there to ruin the memory for him. And that did it seamlessly. I don't even need to look at my other variations because that did the job. So there you go. They have both moved on with their lives. Let's see what we can do for couple number two. So I think you can see the problem here. The problem is that they showed up for a formal event. He looks like he hasn't even had a shower, didn't shave, and he's wearing wrinkled clothing. He needs to go, bud. Go home and up your game, and then you can come back. So we're going to say here, remove person. Again, remove object would likely work, but because there are these other small objects and this technically object over here, I don't want it to just strip it and give us a barren landscape. So let's see what it can do here. Might have to get rid of this little fingertip up here. Let's find out. So there we go. That did a pretty good job of eliminating him, although the AI interpreted part of him as part of the background. Let's see number two. Better. Number three. Not too bad. So let's clean this up a little bit. Let's take number two, since it has complete hand of hers, and let's just go up and clean this up a bit because this just needs to go. Sure, I have all of that. So I'm just going to say, in this case, definitely remove object. I may have to go back and flatten the image here, but we're going to get rid of that and this right here. And then that is going to help things quite a bit. So we got rid of that. Perfect. Now let's highlight this little area here, and I'm going to say remove spot. I feel like if I say remove object, it might cut it back to here. Anyway, AI is pretty intelligent, but we might as well give it as much ammunition as possible to work with. So it did a good job there. Let's have a look at this zoomed out. Not too bad. Her thumb is a little bit too long though. I'm going to bring it back to here and ask it to remove object. We'll see whether or not it's going to do a decent job, although it could just be rounded, or not rounded rather. It could just be a flat edge that comes back. Okay, AI is awesome. It just added in the rest of her thumb, knowing exactly what it was. Incredible. So, version number 1, 2, or 3, I think probably number 3. Let's have a look at this image. There you go, folks. We got rid of two people from these images seamlessly. Now we'll assume that the other couple has run off together and she's going to get him all cleaned up, then they're going to live happily ever after. These two will have to hope that they meet in the future. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then like and subscribe to encourage me to make more of them, and I will see you the next time.